Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can open the training center in your FC24. So to do this we have to go for the learn to play, and here we have to go for the training center. And right now we've got a few presets. We've got the passing, attacking, defending, dribbling. For example, let's go for the dribbling. Let's open it. And we've got the skill moves, shielding, knocks, ons, save, strafe dribbling. I would like to get the skill moves, for example. So go right here and you are able to practice right here. It's a little bit different from the practice arena because there you've got just ball and you can just run and shoot, make some tricks, but here you've got the task that you have to do. And yeah, I'm actually moving with my mouse, so we have to run to this arena and it looks like we have to move forward, like moving between this paths, and here defender that we have to pass like this. That's even funny to play on the mouse, but yeah, that's how we can open the training center and increase your skills in the FC24, or previously named, of course, the FIFA24. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.